You don't need years to change your life. You need 2 months of focus. Because the truth is, people don't treat you based on who you are. They treat you based on the signals you send every single day. Your posture, your habits, your discipline, your energy. And right now, whether you realize it or not, you are training people how to see you. The brutal truth. Here's the uncomfortable reality. If people don't respect you, ignore you, or underestimate you, it's not random. It's pattern recognition. The human brain is wired to judge quickly. Within seconds, people decide, is this person confident? Is this person valuable? Does this person matter? And they don't ask you. They watch you. Your habits are your reputation. On repeat, the shift. So if you want to change how people see you, you don't chase respect. You become the person that naturally commands it. And that starts with one principle: identity first, behavior second. You don't wake up confident and then act confident. You decide who you are, then you force your behavior to match it. The 2-month framework. These next 60 days are not random. They are divided into 3 psychological phases. Phase 1. Reset week 1-2. Break the version of you that people have memorized. Phase 2. Rebuild week 3. Install new habits that reshape your identity. Phase 3. Reinforce. Lock in consistency until it becomes your default. This is not motivation. This is identity engineering. Phase 1. Reset yourself. In the first 14 days,